we're coming to you from the Contec booth here at Interphex at the Javits Center in New York. We know that many of you wanted to be here with us today, but for those of you who can't be because of travel restrictions, we wanted to share a little bit of Interphex and a little bit of the Contec booth with you. My name is Amy Russ. I'm the Global Product Manager for Contec's Cleanroom Business, and I wanted to take a little bit of time to walk you through some new products that we're showing at our booth here at Interphex. So first up, we have a new hands-free removal tool for our compact bucket system. This removal tool allows you to remove a mop hands-free using our new magnetic mop frame. So this is a very simple design. You can see here that we have the removal tool that can attach to the back of our compact bucket system. And when you use this tool in combination with one of our new magnetic mop frames, you're able to simply tap up and remove the mop without ever touching it with your hands. So this is incredibly important for sterile applications in which you'd have to remove a pair of gloves after touching a dirty mop. So we'd also like to show you one of our new disinfectant products that's just recently launched. We're actually launching it here at Interphex. So this product is called Preempt Plus. It's actually a new formulation of accelerated hydrogen peroxide. If you're familiar with our current Preempt product, this is similar, but it has faster contact times, so it goes down to 1 minute for fungicidal claims. It also features lower residues compared to our current Preempt product. So this is just another product in our growing disinfectant line that includes IPA, hydrogen peroxide, hypochlorous acid, Paradox, which is our hydrogen peroxide peracetic acid sporicidal product, as well as Cyclonol, which is our new one-step cleaner disinfectant that's a broad spectrum quaternary ammonium ethyl alcohol product. Lastly, wanted to show you Refive, which is a clean room wipe that's made of 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. And so that's a bunch of words, but all that means really is that you can have a plastic bottle like this one that one day becomes a clean room wipe just like this. It's an interesting process. So you start out with a plastic bottle just like the one that I showed. From there, that plastic is ground down into flakes. That is then thoroughly cleaned and washed before being melted and reformed into polyester chip. That chip is then extruded through a traditional manufacturing process to form yarn, which is then knitted into fabric, which we cut into wipes and process through our clean room laundry at Contec. So we hope that this gave you some insight into what we're showing here at the booth, and appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Take care.